Hello everyone. So in today's tutorial I will be sharing with you how to make a professional football poster design, and in this example I will be using Cristiano Ronaldo's image for this poster design. So let's start with it. So we'll be choosing Instagram post, and in upload section, as you can see, I have already uploaded this football ground or the soccer stadium, as you can say, and 5 images of Cristiano Ronaldo, which I will be using for this example. So let's start with it, and let's first set the background, which is by using this football stadium image, and for that we will be adjusting this to blur to 10 is good. And now we will add the first image of Ronaldo here. We'll make it bigger. And then we will add the textures where we will write the name of Ronaldo. So from this we will be coming to elements, and we will be writing here texture. This texture looks good, we will be using it. Let's make it smaller, and let's tilt it to 8 degrees and use it here. And send to back, because we want to highlight this image for our example. So we have sent it to back, and we will duplicate it to write the second name. Okay, here. So let's do it. So we will be choosing from the text, add a heading, and for this example I will be using this font, Liber Franklin Black. Okay, and let's make it white color. Okay, so let's write the first name, which is Cristiano, and let's again tilt it to 8 degrees as the texture and fix it here. Let's make it a bit bigger. Okay, now this one, just duplicate it because size will be remaining the same, and we'll write here Ronaldo. Okay, so we have written it, and this looks cool. And now we'll be adding the images of Ronaldo, but first let's make it a bit smaller here. We're cropping it, and let's do the same for this one. Let's move it above, so we'll get some space to add this image here. So let's add this image here, make it smaller, and use it here. Okay, and decrease the transparency to 90. And now let's add the images. We'll be adding this image first. And we will do send to backward. And now we'll be adding this next image, which is this one. Let's make it a bit bigger so that this head side and this head side look similar. And now let's add it. We'll just crop it and send to backward, and again click to send to back from this one also. We have done it, and now let's add this image. Let's make it a bit smaller so that the head size becomes perfect here, and we'll send to backward. Click again to send it to back from this image also, and we'll adjust it, the contrast part, and we'll decrease the transparency to 82. This looks good, and we'll decrease the transparency of this one image also to 82 to keep the similarity here. Okay, so this one is done. Now we have to send this to backward also, and we have to give shadows to this one. So for this we will be coming to effects, and we'll be using this page lift shadow, and we'll go to adjustments, and we'll click on here 1, and curves, we'll just increase it. This one looks fine to me, and let's add the shadows on this one also, same page lift, and this time decrease the transparency, decrease the offset, and increase the curve. Click on apply. Now this part is done. Now we'll add some stars here to decorate more. We'll just make it straight and decrease the size. We'll make it 5 star to denote that he has 5 Ballon d'Ors. Let's duplicate it 4 times so that we can place the 5 stars here. So this is how we made the poster design of Cristiano Ronaldo. Hope you like this tutorial, and stay tuned for more tutorials on Canva. And if you have any doubts regarding any Canva tutorial or in this tutorial, please feel free to post a comment so that we can solve your problem.